Hi, and welcome to Home Cooking with Mimi. Today we are making homemade butter. Homemade butter is lots of fun and very satisfying to make. Plus, when you serve it to people and tell them you made it, they will be impressed. Start with a cold bowl. I recommend placing it in the fridge for at least 20 minutes before you begin. Pour some heavy cream into it and start whipping. I'm using 500 milliliters, and this will make about 250 grams of butter. This is roughly 1 block of butter in Europe or 2 sticks of butter in the US. After a few minutes, the cream will reach a soft peak consistency. It then quickly turns into stiff peaks. Keep whipping. If we were making whipped cream, we'd have a problem because it is now over whipped. But when making butter, this is exactly what we want. After another few minutes, the butter starts turning a pale yellow and the fat starts separating from the buttermilk. Okay, we are done! We have made butter and buttermilk. Just a few more steps. Place a sieve over a bowl and pour the mixture through it. We have now separated the butter from the buttermilk. You can keep the buttermilk in a jar in your fridge for at least a week and use it to make some biscuits or pancakes. Pick up your butter and try to squeeze out as much of that buttermilk as possible. See how I am already squeezing out a lot of liquid? For this next step, you will need a bowl of ice cold water. Rinse off any excess buttermilk in the bowl of cold water. The more buttermilk you get out of the butter, the longer the butter will last. I know this looks gross, but trust me, it is so much fun. You should try it. If you're not sure whether you have squeezed out all the buttermilk, you can get a new bowl of ice water and repeat the process. When the water stops turning murky, you have squeezed all the buttermilk out. Finally, use a clean towel to squeeze out any excess water. The butter is ready. I'm going to mold mine into a butter dish. And let's remove my fingerprints. And there you have it, fresh homemade butter. I'm going to have mine with a freshly toasted slice of challah bread. Hope you will also enjoy making and eating your own butter. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.